Hi there, welcome to the GridMate Learning Channel. Today, we will provide you with a detailed, step-by-step guide on how to effectively configure the dynamic interaction feature for your needs. This feature enhances usability by enabling seamless access to related data within the current context, eliminating the need for navigation. It provides a seamless way to explore associated records or details without manual searching or switching between screens, reducing clicks, page reloads, and improving productivity. Let's begin. Edit the Lightning page in the App Builder. First, make sure that the dynamic interaction is enabled. On the left side, on the Component Explorer, search for GM, Field Set Grid. Drag and drop the component on the left region of the page. For the related object name, set Opportunity. Set the field set name that we are already configured. Set Open Opportunity as Custom Label. Set Standard Opportunity as a custom icon. For the grid height, set 300 for example. Set a filter that shows only the open opportunities. We can check the action that we want. Check Show Record Details. Check the Show Border. Check the Show Column Border. That's it for this part. Let's save our work. Next, search for GM, Grid Interaction Subscriber, on the Component Explorer grid. Drag and drop the component into the page. For object name, set Account. For the data grid, code should be the same as the account grid. For the interaction, click Add Interaction. Select the left region as the component. For the record ID, set this config. That's it, click Save. Click Back. Perfect, the dynamic interaction works properly. We can freeze the first column for example. And we can inline edit the component. Once you finish, click Save. We can further optimize and enhance our overall experience by integrating additional components. Edit the Lightning page in the App Builder. On the left side, on the Component Explorer, search for GM, Field Set Grid. Drag and drop the component on the right side of the page. For the related object name, set Case. Set the field set name. Set Open Cases as custom label. Set Standard Case as a custom icon. For the grid height, set 300. The same as the first grid. Set a filter that shows only the open cases. Also, we can check the action that we want. Check Show Record Details. Check the Show Column Border. Check the Show Border. Click Save. Go back to GM, Grid Interaction Subscriber. Click Add Interaction. Select the right region as the component. For the record ID, set this config. That's it, click Save. Click Back. Perfect, we can manipulate the two components easily. Here we can see the record details if we want. Thank you for watching.